Alright, today we're going to make a Buckeye Candies, which is also known for the peanut butter balls. We're going to start with into a large bowl. Let's put 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I brought to room temperature. Into that, I'm going to go ahead and put 6 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. Make sure it's natural or Alencia's. Then I'm going to put a half teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And I'm just going to cream this together until it's smooth. You can see I just got like a smooth paste. So I'm going to start in the confectioner's sugar. I'm going to start with 1 cup at a time, just little by little, just to get to form into the cookie dough. Hopefully this is almost getting turned out to like a Play-Doh. I decided I'm going to give that a little test to see how it forms into it. I'm going to give it a little squeeze. I think it's just almost ready. I guess about only 1 cup. Once you got formed into like a cookie dough or a Play-Doh, whatever you call this one, you want to take a smaller size of an ice cream scooper, round the spoonfuls, give a little squeeze, roll it into the ball. You just want to place it onto a cookie sheet, has been already lined with some wax paper, after you just roll it into a ball, just like this one. Just place that right onto the cookie sheet. I'm going to finish the rest of the balls. Here we go. I just made about 14 balls, and the little ones are really tiny. I counted only 15, 14 and a half. If you want to double up this recipe, you can go ahead. It is completely up to you. Then you want to take your toothpick. You're going to stick it right each of the balls. That can hold really easily. I'll stick it with the toothpicks. That goes into the freezer for 30 minutes until nice and firm. So to melt these, I'm going to use the one with the Baker Corners chocolate bar. Then we're going to put that into the microwave. This might be evenly from the micro bowl. That goes into the microwave safe bowl. We're going to put these on. That tells you pointing directions on the back of the packet. Alright, just melt it for 30 seconds at a time. There's only 3 cubes of that. If you want to make a chocolate really glossy, what I like to do, I'm going to put a little bit of the all-vegetable shortening, just about 1 tablespoon or so. Just going to make it really nice and glossy one. All stirred up. Here's the one with these balls. I'm going to dip that right into the melted chocolate. I'm just starting with, you can see how firm the balls were. You're going to dip for about 3/4 way. I like to give that a twist to cover all those 3/4 of the way of the melted chocolate. So let the drip off the excess chocolate. You're going to place it back onto the cookie sheet, still using with the wax paper. And this one's all finished dipping over. That goes back into the freezer for 40 minutes until the chocolate will harden. If I have any left over with melted chocolate, I decide I can make one for the chocolate bike. Alright, it's been done after additional 40 minutes. I just took it out of the freezer. So as you can see, this bottom of the chocolate might be a set after it's been freezed. Now you can go ahead and remove the toothpick out of the balls after it's just inserted. Always have to make sure to removing the toothpick. And look at that, how gorgeous it was. I decided I'm going to give this for the presentation for those of the peanut butter balls. Call it for the Buckeye Candies. You gotta love that for the holiday treats. And you have a finish of Buckeye Candies, which is aka peanut butter balls. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Make sure to view always watch before sharing. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for A1. As always, happy holidays. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.